Recently, some Call of Duty gamers keep saying the Call of Duty is not working today. Some users says they can't open the game. Apps keep crashing and not working. Many are stuck on the loading screen and many more. Now, if you find the Call of Duty not working today and if you have any other problems, don't worry. The Call of Duty issues can come when you have issues. Internet, game server, or software bugs. So, let's get started. First, before you do anything, check the server for the Call of Duty, whether server is up or down. If the server is down, you can have issues with your Call of Duty. To check server, open a browser of your choice on your device. Type www.downdetector.com. Now type Call of Duty. Now, if you see the red chart is getting up, that means there are ongoing issues with the server. In that case, you need to wait for the Call of Duty to fix its own problems. Or if you see the red chart is down and flat, that means there are no issues with the Call of Duty server right now. Now, if you see there is no issues with the server, you need to follow some steps to fix your problem. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, tap Manage Apps. Look for the Call of Duty application. Tap on it. Now tap Auto Start, tap Other Permission, tap Display pop-up windows while running in the background. Now go back, tap Battery Saver, tap No Restriction, enable all the setting, tap Clear Data, choose a Clear All Cache, tap OK. After that, swipe down from the top. Turn off the low data mode on Android. Now follow the third process. Open the Google Play Store, search for the Call of Duty gaming apps. Make sure to update the Call of Duty game on your Android device. After following all the work accordingly, you'll be able to solve the Call of Duty not working on Android. If you still have a problem, let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching.